Welcome to Linkway Software Solutions. In this video demonstration we will be learning how to create a sales return invoice using Easy Accounts application. Press Alt plus F8 key or select the sales return option on the left hand side menu. Now in the sales return window, here we can select the salesperson. Here we can select the customer. Then reference number can be entered here. Date can be selected here. And here we have two options to enter sales return items. For this, first option is direct entry like in sales invoice. And the second option is import the sold items by its invoice number. For this, just click this button. Then here we have a new window. If we know the invoice number, it could be directly entered here. And select the items to be returned. Or we have a search option here, just click the search button. Then here we can view the list of sold items by its invoice number. Double-click the invoice number, and here we can select the items to be returned. After this click OK, then the selected items will be imported into sales return. Reason or remarks can be entered here. And here we have multiple options to adjust the sales return amount. We can repay the return amount by cash or bank, and we have a credit option is here. After selecting this, click Save button. Then a new window will be open. In this window we can see previous bill-wise balance amount. Here we can adjust the amount into appropriate bills, or we can click Auto Adjust option here to adjust the amount automatically. This is the basic way of creating a new sales return invoice in Linkway Easy Accounts application. Thank you for watching this video.